Let's start off with the video tag, and we're gonna give it a width of, for instance, let's just say 320 and our height 50. Then controls. Let's take the source. Set source equal to this HTTPS. Contain code academy.com / projects. Make a website /lesson. Lesson 1 / Ollie MP4. Specify a type. Just say video MP4. And then let's add the video clothing tag. Okay, so source. She forgot to add the it's gonna be this F /MP4. That's gonna just cause confusion. Let's sign the equal sign here. Okay, wow. Okay, so if we run that, okay, that's good. As you can see, here's the video. Gotta make learning fun. Pretty cool, yeah. Let's move forward, guys. No more games. Right, so create an unordered list. Impressive. With just 5-page elements, you've already created an interesting website. Another essential HTML element is the unordered list. Items in an unordered list are referred to as list items. Each item is bulleted, not numbered. For example, a list item, a second list item, a third list item. HTML code for the list above is ul with its closing tags, li with its closing tags. Ul tags create the unordered list. Li tags contain each list item. Unordered list elements can be used to organize content on a web page in a number of ways. Below, we will use one to organize our website's navigation menu, sometimes called a navbar. Instructions number 1. Our navbar will go above the company heading h1 element. So first we will need to create some new lines in index.html. Press enter to create several new lines between body and h1. First, we will create an h2 element to serve as the heading for the navbar. The text can read Ollie, and then run your code. We'll go above the company heading h1 element. Right, so we're going to add the h2 tag here. Okay, so below the navbar h2, create an unordered list element. The list items will be different pages a site user can visit. Okay, so we're starting off with so sign up, search bikes, reserve a bike, about us. So after you insert all the list items, don't forget to close the unordered list with a close UL tag. Run your code to view the results in the web browser. Right, so as you can see, it's created a bulleted list just under Ollie. I just added some spacing in between just so you can see exactly how it looks like. All right, let's move on.